Here, participants speak for the Weight Loss and Inch Loss 60 Days program.
The instructors of Tonabolic, I must say, are amazing. Chanakya, Kaustubh, and Ashrita, all three are awesome, and the workouts that they design basically target on all your areas of the body. We have upper body workouts, lower body workouts, your abs, and many other things, HIT, and all of them have the killer workouts, and you feel burning at the last.
I'm very much happy with what I've gone through those 60 days. No stress, happy workout with good guidance from Sunny. I will keep up those things for my lifetime. It has become more knowledgeable, knowledge gaining 60 days.
I must say, I have enjoyed every bit of the training every day. In fact, every day I was looking forward for my next day class just to know आज नया क्या होगा. The program was structured in such an organized way that you just can't make yourself stop attending a single class of it.
I'd like to thank Ashrita and Sunny for having thought of and initiating this wonderful program for weight loss, which, because of the lockdown and the gym not being available, was hard to think that it would be possible to continue. But we've been able to do a wide variety of exercises with whatever is available at home.
And Ashrita, I don't have words for you. I can't express myself. You are too good actually. How the 1 hour passes by, we don't come to know at all. And this stands true for all the three trainers.
She has started the yoga sessions also, and I'm more of a yoga lover. So I joined the yoga sessions. In between, I shifted to the yoga sessions, and she has great 4 yoga coaches.
With the available stuffs, whatever is available with you, with that, she was making us do so many workout.
I am a mother of two kids. Younger one was just 6 months when I joined this program, which was not possible otherwise. Out of many good things, one good thing what I liked about Tonabolic team is their holistic approach.
And I should not miss out. Not a single class was starting 1 minute late also. Punctuality was their power. I think punctuality, I must say that every day the class was so damn starting on time and finishing on
First
time.
call that I had with Sunny was a really fruitful one where he tried to understand my body needs and what are my problem areas, what my body is going through, and after having a detailed discussion of around 1 hour, he designed my diet plan, and that really proved to be fruitful for me.
I have lost weight as well as inch, and I was doing cheating in between. Otherwise, I would have lost more also. I feel very healthy, and Sunny was focusing on overall, your health issue, how your body works. I had a main problem with my tummy, so now he explained very well because I had two C-section.
Regular exercises. Diet play a major role in achieving weight loss goal. And there was not much changes in my diet. The whole program was designed very thoughtfully, which helped me to lose 3.5 kg weight in just 2 months.
And the sessions that Sunny provided every Sunday on thyroid, on ACV, on sleep, on diabetes, on water intake, all of them were really awesome, and we learned a lot from it.
The continuous motivation and support from the team, the diet counseling from Sunny, the advice regarding different weight loss challenges has been a wonderful journey.
All through this program, in 2 months, I lost around 5.3 kgs and 23 inches from all over the body, which personally is a great achievement for me.
60 days. It was a wonderful journey, and I gained more knowledge on how it works, what I can do, what I should not do.
Everything, be it from making us sweat in the classes, be it from eating the healthy food, be it from making us run, and also giving us homework, which to make our postures correct, to make our body strengthening. So that is something which was so
I've
organized.
lost too much of weight, though I've lost only 1 kg and inches I have lost. But the food cravings I used to have earlier, that has reduced. I have opted for a healthy way of living. I understand why it is happening and what can be the reason. My sleep has improved, and now I've been able to do intermediate fasting in the morning from around 12, 14 hours, where earlier I could not even stay without food for 1 hour or 2 hours. No?
Also improved my stamina, my sleep, and my cravings.
Yeah, I have had both weight loss and inch loss, and I'm really looking forward to continuing with the exercises regularly.
And I would watch for this program, whoever wants to lose weight and is struggling and couldn't understand why I'm not able to lose weight, to join this program and try it out. And Ashrita and her team is a great combination. And on the Sunny, the nutritionist, he's I think the best part I found in the soul of the program. And I will miss the Sunday sessions with him.
It was totally a valuable session. I'll give you 10 on 10 for both of you. Thank God I didn't miss this session.
Weight management for me, the biggest win is a much more toned physique and an energetic self lasting throughout the day. I never felt this better ever. So, if I have to scale from 0 to 10, I must say I will scale. I give my marks as 20 because absolutely this program is recommended. This is in a heartbeat now.